Finding the common denominator here is going to be a mathematical suicide mission, but we're going to use a beautiful method called telescoping to dramatically simplify this problem. Of course, it's asking us to find the sum of all of these fractions where there will be 100 fractions here. And if we were to try and find the common denominator, it would be the lowest common multiple of all of our numbers between 1 and 100. Not something you're going to want to do by hand. So what can we do instead? If we actually have a look at the algebraic structure of each of these fractions, we've got 1 over a number that's changing, x, but it's always being multiplied by 1 more than that number. Okay, so we can express it algebraically as 1 over x times x plus 1. So how else could we write this? We want to try and split this fraction up and turn it into an addition or subtraction. One way that we could do that is by, on the numerator, writing this as x plus 1 minus x. And now, because we've got this negative, this minus sign on the numerator, we can split this fraction up into 2 parts. So we've got x plus 1 over x times x plus 1 minus x over x times x plus 1. And now it's clear why we chose to put this on our numerator, because now that we split it up, we're going to get lots of cancellations. So we can see this just simplifies down to 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1. That's going to be very helpful, because now that means we can split up each of these fractions into 2 parts, where, for example, the first one is going to be 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2. The second one is going to be 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. And then it'll be plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. This will continue. So basically, each of these parts is going to cancel, except for the first one and except for the last one. So what we're going to be left with here is just 1 over 1 minus 1 over 100. So our final answer is 99 over 100. And the technique here of cancelling all of the parts in the middle, where it just simplifies the whole problem, that's called telescoping, and that's something that you need to look out for when you're doing other maths problems like this. Send this to a friend who will find it interesting.